If you want to restore luster and shine to dry and damaged hair and achieve a sleek and straight look, look no further than Keratin Therapy's Coco Keratin treatment. Here is how it works. Like all good hair procedures, always begin with a comprehensive client consultation. This is a revolutionary treatment which does not change or fade the colour of hair. Examine the client's hair texture and ensure that you understand the client's requirement for the final results. Once the end result is fully understood, start the process by washing the hair properly, not once, but twice, with Kehairtherapy clarifying shampoo. For virgin hair, this should be up to 3 times, but for chemically treated hair, just twice will be enough. You should be careful not to massage the scalp and not to rub the product directly onto the scalp. 100% towel dry the hair, making sure that there is no water dripping down the hair. Divide the hair into equal sections. Most hair types will need 4 to 5 sections depending upon the volume. Like most chemical treatments, ensure that you use gloves before applying the treatment to the client's hair. Now apply a sufficient amount of the treatment to the hair, section by section, ensuring even distribution. Start from the nape area to the tips of the hair. Make sure the treatment is applied approximately ½ an inch away from the scalp. The recommended product usage for shoulder-length hair should be between 30 to 35 milliliters. For mid-waist length hair, 40 to 45 milliliters. And for waist-length hair, 50 to 55 milliliters. Continue applying the treatment to each section. Once you finish applying the treatment, comb the hair through to spread it evenly and all over. Now use a shower cap to wrap the hair, and then steam the hair for no longer than 10 minutes. Now let the hair process for 15 minutes at room temperature, leaving the shower cap in place. In case of virgin hair, this should be extended, steaming the hair for 10 minutes and then leaving it to process for 35 minutes at room temperature with the shower cap in place. Next, 100% blast dry the hair straight at a medium heat in fine sections. After the process is complete, use a ceramic flat hair iron to iron each section of the hair with 6 to 7 strokes at the desired temperature depending on hair type. For virgin hair, the ironing temperature should be at 210 degrees Celsius. For coloured or chemically treated hair, the ironing temperature should be at 190 degrees Celsius. For over-processed or sensitised hair, the ironing temperature should be at 170 degrees Celsius. Ironing the hair is the most important part of the entire procedure to ensure long-lasting results of up to 5 or 6 months. The Coco treatment gives extreme hair repair and restores a natural shine to hair. Now the treatment is complete. Look how smooth, straight, lustrous and lively the hair is. This is the definition of perfect, shiny and healthy hair. To maximise long-lasting results, advise the client that they should not wash the hair for at least 48 hours and use Kehairtherapy's recommended aftercare products.